Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Real reason why David was evicted from the Ultimate Love show yesterday. It is often said that the success of a man is solely depends on the kind of woman he marries, and for every successful man there is a woman behind it. David Wilson, one of the love guests in the Ultimate Love reality television show, was believed to be a contestant that would be reckoned with due to his charismatic attitude and energy since he checked inside the love part. Many believe he would go far in the show and even claim the ultimate prize with whoever he chooses as a partner. However, his rating experienced a sharp decline on the day of pairing after he jilted Rosie, who many have already seen a bright future with. He jilted Rosie for preshtalker, who came new to the house, and so he began to regain some fans as the show progressed by accepting his mistake and asking for forgiveness. However, as preshtalker began to exhibit her real nature in the house, doubts casted. His fans could not keep up with preshtalker attitude. To make the matter worse, she stated in one of her conversations that David Wilson is not her class. Many see the relationship as good as dead because it turned one-sided. David Wilson seems to be the one trying hard to make things work between them. There's no way his fans could continue rooting for him when they are aware that the relationship will not go far beyond the love part. Hence, they lost the zeal to continue supporting him and preshtalker. Guys, what do you think about this reason why David was evicted yesterday? I hope you agree with me. If you don't, please share your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.